Hi, in this video, I want to discuss the bank. But first, what is the use of bank in the system? Okay, so normally when you generate the payroll, of course afterwards you will generate a bank text file because before the employees can receive their salary from the ATM, normally you need to submit the text file to the bank, and the bank will process that text file and then credit the amount to the employees. So that's why we need to enter the bank, because each bank has its own text file format, no? Like there's a format for BPI, so for Video, Metrobank, Union Bank, and so on. They have their own format, so you need to specify that in the system. Another thing is, in order to group the employees per bank, because when you generate the text file, of course, you should specify the employees involved on that bank. So therefore, when you go to a particular employee, you need to specify here the bank where the employee can receive the money or the salary for a particular period. Okay, so that is the use of the bank in the system. Now, how do we generate bank? Okay, so how do we go to bank? Now, to go to bank, all you have to do is to go to configuration, settings, and then bank. Okay, so as you can see, it will list all the banks that are already entered in the system. So this is a list. Now, to create a new bank, all you have to do is to click add new record. Now, on the bank code, you can put here the code of the bank, because as you know, there is a popular code for the bank. Like for Metrobank, it is MBTC. For Union Bank, it is UBP. For BPI, of Bank of the Philippine Islands, it is PPI, and so on. Okay, so whatever is the code of the bank, you should put it here. Maybe if it is Union Bank, you can just put here UBP. Okay, and then here, of course, you put the bank name, whatever is the name of the bank. Maybe it is Union Bank or Metro Bank, whatever. And then here, you put your account number. Of course, whenever you open an account in the bank, there is always an account number associated with that. Okay, whether you're an employee or whether you have a business. Okay, so each account has an account number. So if you don't know the account number, you can always ask your accountant, or you can always ask the bank where you open that account number. Okay, so let's say the account number is 888 blah blah blah. Okay, whatever it is, you can just put it here. Okay, that is of course used when you generate the text file, because most of the text file that is being generated, there is always an account number for the particular bank where you generate the text file. So make sure that this is correct. Excuse me. Okay, so there is also here the assigned code. Okay, assigned code meaning what is the code that was assigned to you by the bank. Okay, of course, as you know, there are many companies that open an account to a particular bank. Like if you are a Metro Bank, it's not only one company that has opened to you. No, there are several companies, maybe company A, B, C, blah blah blah. Okay, so on the perspective of the bank, each company that opened that account will have a code. Okay, an assigned code. So whatever the code that was assigned to you by the bank, you should put it here. So if you don't know the company code that was assigned to you, you can always ask the bank where you opened the account. Okay, or probably you can ask your accountant. Maybe your accountant knows this. But sometimes it is not applicable to you. Maybe there is no code that was assigned to you by the bank, or maybe the bank doesn't understand you. In that case, you can leave this blank. Okay, you will only use this if it is applicable to you. Okay, like if you're a Union Bank, because in Union Bank, on the text file of Union Bank, there is one portion or one column where you need to specify the assigned code, or the company code that was assigned by the bank. So in that case, you need to fill this. If you don't know the assigned code by Union Bank to you, then you can always ask the Union Bank. Okay, so let's say the assigned code is 789, so you can just put here 789. And then here there is the text file format. As I said, each bank has its own format. They are not uniform. There's no such thing as standard one format. Okay, maybe that is because each bank has its own software, has its own system. So of course the programmer of that bank will be different for another bank, so they have their own strategy on how to format the text file. So in that case, you need to specify it here, and these are already in the system. You don't need to specify this format. Okay, so when you click this, they will already be specified here. There is no other configuration for the text file format. Okay, they are automatically be here. That is because they are predetermined by the system, because as I said, each bank has its own format. So if this bank is a Union Bank, then you should put here Union Bank. Okay, if it is Metro Bank, then you put Metro Bank, and so on, depending on what will be the text file format for this bank, because the system doesn't know that it is a Union Bank. When you put here bank name Union Bank, the system doesn't know, by the way. Okay, what the program knows is this text file format. So if you put here UBP, then the system knows that this is a Union Bank. Okay, so if there is no format applicable to a particular bank, maybe you have a bank but you don't submit text file for that bank, then you can just leave this blank. Okay, so it's not compulsory for you to put a value on this. It is only required when you are submitting text file to the bank. Now if you are not submitting text file, maybe you just want to print the bank transmittal or a list for the employees where you are withdrawing that money, then you don't need to specify the text file format. You can leave it blank. Okay, and yeah, that's it. That's how easy it is to create a bank in HR Tech. Now if you have any question that I was not able to mention in this video, just put it on the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.